So your living area is right here where you can set your sofa, the beautiful kitchen area with the beautiful interior work. This is the grand master bedroom which has 2 plus points. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal. And today we are here at Saupernika Whispering Petals, which is located in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Saupernika Projects. And today we are here to check out their model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the land parcel and this is the marketing office on my left hand side where you'll be getting all the information details and you can check out the model flat as well. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is spread across 8.3 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with 2 basement, ground plus 19 floors having exclusive 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium units where you'll even get private terrace garden unit on the ground floor. Now coming to the amenities part, and the project will provide you 30 plus world class amenities like of, let's check out. Here's a 85% of open space with 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse on the ground floor. Other amenities like of basketball court, box cricket, garden area, maze garden, kids play area, amphitheater and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located in Hoskote, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road over the side will take you towards KR Puram and the opposite side road will connect you to STRR. So basically the project will be having 2 connectivity from 2 major roads. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, so you can connect to STRR within 2 minutes from the project. Silicon City Hospital is 5 minutes away. Your school is 15 minutes from the project. KIDBA Aerospace Park is 20 minutes away from the project. You can connect to Kempegowda International Airport in 30 minutes and even ITPL Whitefield is 30 minutes away from the location. So this is your 1326 square feet of 3 BHK's model flat at this project. Let's have a look at it. So basically here's the main entrance of your grand house and they have even provided one foyer area for your privacy purpose. So once you enter, you can have a look at the rectangular living and the dining area. First, let's check out the living area. So your living area is right here where you can set your sofa, set your TV unit and which has a connecting balcony as well. So here's the beautiful balcony giving you perfect city view and the amenities facing as well with anti-skid flooring, iron railing and this balcony will be 3 side covered. Now moving further towards your kitchen and dining area. So your kitchen is right on my right hand side and exactly in front of it they have placed a dining table to show you the beautiful access and the beautiful space. So here's the kitchen area and once you enter towards the kitchen area, you can have a look at the kitchen, the beautiful kitchen area with the beautiful interior work. Here's the utility area which is enclosed and divided via tile rope to avoid the water spillage where there's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose and you can have a look at the interior, the platforms, the cabinets and just behind me you can place your refrigerator as well. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So your 2 bedrooms are on the one side of the house and 1 bedroom on the other side. So right here this side is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, you can have a look at the beautiful interior work again and this bedroom is the kids bedroom basically. Here's a 2 window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the bed space right here. Even you can add up a study table for your kids over this side. So there is ample of space in this room and right over this side is your wardrobe space. Now once you step out from this room, here's a common washroom with the easy access to bedroom number 1. With anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fittings as well. And now about your bedroom number 2. So once you enter here, And this is your bedroom number 2, and you can have a look at the bed space. And here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. The space is managed in a well way. They have even added up the dressing area. Here's your wardrobe. And now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with some sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is exactly beside your bedroom number 2, and this is the grand master bedroom, which has 2 plus points. First, let me show you. This is the space that they are providing with a huge bed space right here. The wardrobe space is over here. So number 1 plus point for this bedroom is the master washroom. It has its own attached washroom, the private washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now right here is your sit-out area. So here's the balcony with anti-skid flooring and iron railing as well. This is totally a private balcony for you. So now, as you all know, we are here in Hoskote location. Have you checked another project in this prime location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more project details, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.